How much should you actually spend on an electric spin scrubber? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Drizoo Electric Spin Scrubber. The Drizoo Electric Spin Scrubber caught my eye for its versatility and was priced at $25.99, making it a budget-friendly option. If you want a reliable scrubber that tackles tough grime in your bathroom and beyond, this is worth a serious look. This scrubber has a powerful motor with 2 adjustable speeds. 350 revolutions per minute for regular cleaning and up to 450 revolutions per minute for those tough spots. That's perfect for deep cleaning your bathroom without breaking a sweat. With a 2,500 milliamp hours battery, it charges in just 3 hours and gives you 60 to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. It means you can clean your entire bathroom on just one charge without constantly searching for an outlet. Some users mention that the handle could be a bit tricky to adjust, and I get that. But here's the thing. Once you figure out, it's adjustable between 41 and 48 inches, which is fantastic for cleaning high and low spots without bending over. So, while it might take a bit to get used to, it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and effective cleaning solution. Skip this one if you want something with more advanced features or heavier duty options. But honestly, for the price, it's a great value. Now, if the handle adjustment issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a unique design. Product number 2, Kmast Electric Spin Scrubber. Next up is the Kmast Electric Spin Scrubber, priced at $23.98. This caught my attention for its straightforward design and dual speed feature. If you want something easy to use that won't break the bank, this one is worth considering. This scrubber features a dual speed rotation with up to 450 revolutions per minute, making it effortless to switch between regular cleaning and deep scrubbing. Imagine tackling those tough stains in your shower with just the push of a button. Plus, it offers up to 90 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, so you can get your entire bathroom done in one go. Here's why this matters. It means less downtime and more time enjoying your clean space. On the downside, some users reported that it doesn't work as well on very tough grime without a bit of elbow grease. But honestly, for regular cleaning, it performs quite well. If you're someone who keeps up with the cleaning, you might find this isn't an issue at all. This is great for anyone looking for a solid scrubber without the complications. Skip it if you need something for heavily soiled areas or you're looking for multiple attachments. Overall, it's a fantastic value for its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need versatility. Product number 3, Lichfi Cordless Electric Scrubber. Now we're looking at the Lichfi Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber, priced at $25.99. I was drawn to its 7 brush heads and high torque performance. If you're after a versatile tool that covers all bases, this is one to check out. This scrubber comes with 7 interchangeable brush heads, perfect for different surfaces around your home. The 25W motor provides consistent power, easily tackling soap scum and hard water stains. This means you can clean everything from your bathtub to your car wheels with one device. Imagine how much time you'll save not switching between tools. However, some users found the battery life could be shorter than expected, especially for larger jobs. Here's the thing, though. If you do regular cleaning, it should last long enough for a quick refresh around the house, and you can recharge it quickly, so it's still a good option. This is a solid choice for those who want a single tool for multiple cleaning tasks. Skip it if you're looking for something specifically designed for heavy-duty scrubbing, but it's a great all-rounder for everyday cleaning. Now, if you're looking for something with even more features, this next scrubber might just blow you away. Product number 4, Lichfi 9 Brush Head Scrubber. The next product is another Lichfi, this time with 9 brush heads for $33.99. This one really piqued my interest due to its high torque motor and the variety of brushes included. If you want to tackle every nook and cranny in your home, this could be the scrubber for you. This scrubber's 25W high torque motor offers 2 speeds, up to 400 revolutions per minute, allowing you to switch between regular and heavy-duty cleaning. It can handle everything from daily grime to tougher messes without losing power, which is a game changer. Plus, it has an impressive battery life of up to 120 minutes on a single charge, so you can clean without interruptions. On the downside, some reviews mention it could be a bit heavy after prolonged use. But honestly, if you're cleaning multiple areas, the time you save with effective cleaning might outweigh that concern. This is a great buy if you want versatility and power in one product. Skip it if you prefer something lighter or if you mainly handle light cleaning tasks. For the cleaning power and features, it's well worth the investment. Alright, we've seen some impressive options, but the final product on my list raises the bar even higher with its unique features. Product number 5, TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber. Finally, let's talk about the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber, which is priced at $39.99. The full-body waterproof design and LED display caught my eye. If you want something that combines efficiency with modern features, this one's for you. This scrubber operates at speeds up to 450 revolutions per minute, making it effective for all cleaning tasks, from bathrooms to kitchens. The included 8 brush heads cover various cleaning scenarios, so you can switch out depending on what you're tackling. The LED display also shows battery usage, so you'll never get caught off guard. Imagine being able to see exactly how much cleaning time you have left. However, some users mention that it might be overkill for smaller spaces or light cleaning. But here's my take. If you want a scrubber that can handle anything, this one's a powerhouse that can save you time and effort. This is perfect for anyone looking for a versatile, feature-rich cleaning tool. Skip it if you only need something for occasional use or lighter tasks. For the features and performance, it's definitely a great investment. So, to wrap it all up, we've looked at the Drizuu, Kmast, Lichfi Cordless, Lichfi 9 brush heads, and the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber. Each of these has its strengths, so think about what features matter most to you. Whether you're after versatility, power, or budget-friendly options, there's something here for everyone. Happy cleaning!